my name is Dan, and I'm just going to go over a little introductory on what I want to do here um, on my channel. This is my VG33ER. This engine goes into a lot of different platforms. I'm going to be using it for my Nissan Xterra platform. This is the ER version, so it from the factory has a supercharger built onto it up here. I bought this engine for $500, and I did not need the supercharger because my current engine that is still running and everything has a supercharger on it already. So what I'm going to be doing with this is tearing it down, rebuilding it. And what I mean by rebuilding is it's going to be on a budget, so it's not going to be all brand new parts. It's not going to be like modded by a lot. We'll see how I feel as I go, and how parts become available, either via deals online or me finding them at junkyards or something like that. This engine is going to have some problems as far as parts availability. Since it's an ER, I think that pistons are no longer available for it, so I might have to reuse whatever I got in there. I know some people take the VG33E engine pistons and oversize them and stick them in this, but we'll get there when we get there. So who is this video for? It's for novices, people that have no idea what they're doing, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I have a factory service manual that I'm going to be going through, and I'm going to just be doing this as a hobby or for fun. The engine itself, I think it has around 150,000 miles on it. I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea what I'm doing on this thing. I have the theories down. I'm in wind and solar by trade, so I'm part mechanic, part electrician. So this kind of stuff is somewhat normal or natural for me. It's just a matter of I'm going to be really slow at it. Also, as far as like video uploads and things like that, I travel a lot. I'm not really home ever. So if you're expecting some sort of schedule, like regular schedule for uploads, it's probably not going to happen unless I get really into this, and it's just going to suck up my life, and that might happen. My current engine has around 243,000 miles in it, and it runs and drives and everything. It's all fine. We take it on long road trips all the time. It just gets really shitty gas mileage, and these engines are notorious for horrible gas mileage. And I'm not trying to solve gas mileage with this. My current engine just burns a lot of oil. Like, I have to go through a quart of oil like maybe every 300 miles. And that's okay because oil is cheap, but I would like to solve that. I don't want to have to babysit it. So this is kind of my remedy, and it's something that I want to do. I want to tear apart this style engine. I want to know how to fix it out in the bush. I want to know the ins and outs of it. I want to know, I want to be able to prove that I can do it. So that's who this video is for. It's for people who have no idea what they're doing. It's for people who are hobbyists. It's people who love the Xterra. It's for people who just want to see more about this engine, because it's not really elusive, but there's not a lot of information out there. So if you're interested in that, you can definitely subscribe and follow along, and I'll show you updates when I got them. Thanks.